Come on, let's go fix the furnace.
Got a Coleman. Seven flashes, lockout caused by no ignition after 3 trials. I took the door off to turn off power, and then we're going to restore the power with this door switch. Inducer motor starts. Starts motor started. Starting up. Okay, so just cut off. Got the hot surface igniter is lighting up again. It'll retry. The blower is turning on. Okay, so it seems like it's not sensing the flame. It's there, so it's turning off for safety. So I took that Phillips head screw out, clean that rod. I tightened up that connection right there, so it's a little loose, and then we're going to try it again. So we just removed this one screw. This is the Phillips head screw to get this flame rod out. I'm going to take this little Scotch-Brite pad. Rod off really well. Make sure there's no cracks in the white porcelain part. Nothing that I can see. Alright. A lot cleaner. I'm going to put it back in. Okay, round 2, let's see if that helps. Inducer motor came on. Went to the pressure switch and turned on the hot surface igniter. The gas valve opened up. The flame's lit. Now it should be sensing the flame. We'll make sure it stays on. Blower just kicked on. Alright, looks like we're back in business. I'm gonna check for heat exchanger cracks, tighten up some wiring, we'll be good to go. Check some amp throws. The amp draw is still climbing on this. I gotta verify what power is supposed to be, but normally almost 2 amps is way too high.